Hey folks, I am walking downtown in Regina and I thought you guys might enjoy the stroll with me this afternoon. So let's look at Regina. So I ended up in a bar with girls, and I'm gonna try this eating out by myself thing at this place called the Rooftop. So I'm just gonna have something. Thank you.
And our cook is actually heading out because once again this is slow time. So as soon as you're ready, just let me know and I'll get the order in as soon as possible.
Thanks. Yeah, so let me show you. There's literally nobody in here. I suppose it's kind of like a bar. It's after 3, so probably gonna have the same thing I always have, which is a burger, and go home.
Number 9 is taking home a pair of admission passes. Right now, though, Shakira, hips still locked.
So I took myself to lunch, and that was the first experience I've had of the kind, I guess. I mean, it's not hot. I'm gonna say that it's not hot, but it's over now. Now I'm headed to catch my bus. More Regina for you. Like I took a taxi to come out here. Like I took an Uber to come out here. I need a car. This not safe because I had to come out here, but it literally took less than 5 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna stretch my legs, see some of what's going on around here. Yeah. I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree. Turns out it's closer than I thought it was, so I am walking my little way over there. And I mean, I decided to get out. It was my birthday earlier in the week, and I did find some people. I didn't share that with you guys, but I did find some people. An old classmate of mine. So I didn't spend my birthday alone. They actually went out of their way to make my birthday kind of special, and I really appreciate that, considering, you know, this person I've not seen in like 10 years, and you know, his wife is really sweet, and he got some kids that are around my daughter's age, so that was really nice. And so I didn't stay home and ball like my plan was, but now I'm getting out of the house. I'm walking over to the mall to find that Dollar Tree. So here we go. Okay, so I don't think I mentioned this before, but here's why I'm looking for the Dollar Tree. For the first time, I'm decorating for fall. And I want to go by the dollar place first. You know, girl does things on a budget. So like these, the flowers, I kind of just wanted to see what they have, even if I'm not getting anything now. There's some flowers over there too that are really nice. I might get some things, but even if I'm not getting anything now, I wanted to make sure I knew what I could get for $1 first before I did anything else. So we're in the Dollar Tree today, just looking. Things. I like them. They've got letters. When I assume that each thing is $1 letter, but I wonder if I can find enough things to say Reid. Let's try it. Is that O? This is a L. Okay, the L was a the letters were a bust. There's nothing there to make a word, so just going to continue looking. Lots of toys and things. So like I mentioned, I wanted to look at some Thanksgiving stuff, and I got some. I'm starting out, so once I cash those things, I will let you know how much of my budget is gone with those. But I think that is a nice little start. This is what I have. Like I got some pumpkins and some like 4 stalks of flowers and quite a few pumpkins and whatever. But yeah, remember, I don't have a lot of space, so I'm not looking for a lot, but I think those are nice little pieces that I can put around the house and then accentuate the rest with like blankets and throw pillows and things like that. So that's what I got, and I'm heading out, so I'm going to cash. So I'm done doing what I'm doing. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got one pants that I wanted to get, so I'm good. But now there's nothing else to do. I can't finish. It's not a super big mall or anything like that. And even the food court, there's like 3 places to eat at the food court, and I don't want none of them, so I won't be eating there. And since I don't have a car and the bus don't really run around here, so I don't know if it does any other day, but I don't say it not run right now. I'm probably would have to walk like half hour to get a spot where the bus run past. Me have to go call a taxi. Again, Regina is a city for people who drive. Okay, you're taking a bus or you're taking Uber like me, it hurts. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to go home. I'm gonna look something to eat because I'm hungry. I'm gonna have my bag, I'm gonna have my paper bag when that's where I wanna put my arms. So yeah, that's my little outing today. And I'm not going. I'm back from my errands. And yeah, I want to be outside. It's nice. And I want to be outside, but I don't have anything out here to do anymore. So I don't know. Maybe I'll walk over to Starbucks. I don't know. But I like it. It's nice. I want to be outside. So guys, I'm back home and I'm going to rest, and look what I'm find. Fun dip. I used to eat this so much in primary school back in Jamaica, and it was so cool to finally it was cool to run into it. So I figured, yeah, I could buy a piece and shine. I don't know if it's gonna taste like them time there. I not even remember what it tastes, but I just know some used to eat it. And I thought, well, that was really cool. But yeah, so that was my day. I'm going to clean up my face, take a shower, and relax and watch a movie or something. And yeah, so that's my Saturday.